Hi everyone, Darren Conrad coming to you from Conrads Harley-Davidson, and we are checking out a 2024 Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114 in Billiard Gray. Got that iconic number 1 there on the gas tank. Get a good look at that 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. We have the Annihilator wheels, front and rear. Softail frame, which handles amazing. LED lighting. Got the taller mini ape hanger handlebars on it. This one has some key features in the handlebar riser. You can switch modes on it. Kind of a neat feature. This is ready for 2-up riding. Has the passenger seat and passenger pegs on it. If you got questions, give us a call, 1-815-725-2000, or visit us on our website at www.conradshd.com.